As the lawsuit comes to an end, the chances for the prices to move to the higher marks are very high. However, what we need to keep an eye out on, more importantly, is the situation once the case comes to an end and in favor of the Ripple. That situation is what will determine the amount of profit that all the investors will be making and the true potential that the XRP has. Today, we will be dealing with the probability where we see XRP reaching the $1.5 mark in the coming days.
You want to start work on probability and statistics?
We will be dealing with the reasons for this growth in the prices, and we'll also be dealing with certain specificities that may form a deterrent to the manner in which the prices may rise in the coming days. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to make the most out of it. Watch till the end to find out how to double the money. Also, make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. Before we get started, allow us to mention that this video is not financial advice, and neither are we financial advisors. We would recommend all our viewers kindly conduct a due diligence process before making any form of financial decision. Also, make sure that you take into consideration the high volatility that is shown by the cryptocurrencies before making any forms of investments. Having said that, let us get straight into the video. Even though the ongoing case will not be coming to an end anytime soon, the prices have been going up by a good margin in recent days. As a matter of fact, the ongoing case might be the reason why the prices may be going up to the higher marks in the coming days. The case has been acting in both a good and a bad manner for the prices of the XRP. While the prices started to fall in the initial days of the lawsuit, it has been coming back up in recent days as a result of the frustration being faced by the community members and the lack of clarity and non-disclosure of certain facts being depicted by the SEC. As this continued, the community members deciphered an idea to reach the conclusion that the SEC does not have a tighter grip on the case. The judge, Sarah Netburns, has indicated many times that the case in the hands of Ripple looks stronger, even though she has never explicitly mentioned this throughout any of the proceedings. This can be understood through the previous decisions that she has given by not granting access to certain requests and submissions made by Ripple.
I agree. Motion denied.
It was through the anticipation made out of all of these factors that the prices of XRP started to boom out to a higher mark in the recent days, especially on the 2nd of September 2021. As a reverse effect of this assumption, many new investors started moving in on the belief that there are high chances the XRP and Ripple will get a high hand in the case and will come out of the case victoriously. We think that this may be the right way to look at it, given the strength that Ripple has been having in this case. We also think that it will not be long before this case comes to an end and the prices start to shoot off extensively. Also, waiting for that time to come may also be a bit too late, as an investor may miss out on key profits that he could make during this tenure when the prices are at really low levels. As soon as the case comes to an end, the prices will spike up. Therefore, the window between this moment of price hike and the end of the case will be very narrow for you to get in. This is what makes a lot of investors put the money in right now and watch it grow as the case proceeds over time. There have been multiple reports that the prices of XRP will push on to higher marks in the coming weeks. One thing that needs to be kept in mind is that the prices have been going higher for all cryptocurrencies along with the XRP. This means that the effect of the ongoing lawsuit on the prices is almost negligible. This almost indicates that if the case was not present, the rise in the prices would have been more significant, which depicts the potential that this cryptocurrency has is way over the other ones in the market.
No, I just mean because this is better.
Oh.
The assumption mentioned above also encompasses the view that the people may have on the XRP token becoming a utility token by the end of the lawsuit. This means that within the community, multiple speculative bullish assumptions drive the price of XRP to a higher level in a manner never witnessed for any other cryptocurrency. Are you still watching? Because now it will get real. Don't miss what is about to be released in this video. The latest updates in the courtroom have certainly spooked the investors greatly and, therefore, have made a significant impact on how the coin will be performing in the coming months. Let us now look at the current prices and the manner in which the coin will perform in the next week, based on some historical data rather than assumptions of speculations. The XRP has been stable at over $1 for quite a while now, since the 13th of August 2021. This price came after a price action from $0.5 on the 20th of July, which continued all the way till the 7th of August. This was the latest minor support that the prices took before climbing up through the $1 mark. The climb throughout $1 lasted till the $1.2 mark and then started to fall back down, however, keeping over the $1 mark. The prices have taken good support on the $1.8 mark, and we think this level may act as a support for the price to touch the $1.5 mark in the coming days. The most recent price action has taken the price from around the said support all the way till the $1.25, and we think that this price action may continue since the speculations coming out of the court action are bullish for the XRP and the community. This means that we can easily expect this cryptocurrency to touch the $1.5 mark in the coming days while upholding the current bullish tendencies, without any forms of major falls in the prices. With a market cap of $58 billion, we think that we certainly have a long way to go with the XRP.
As you can see, I still have a long way to go.
This not only means about the prices of the coin, but also after taking into ambit the price actions that might take place concerning further recognitions and partnerships. The technology being used by them has been catching the attention of a lot of institutions. This attention has called for increased applicability of their technology for various purposes, and with each application, the use case of the XRP cryptocurrency and their technology keeps expanding, which, yet again, will be of major use for them. The 24 hours volume of the cryptocurrency has been over $3.99 billion, which is way over what the other cryptocurrencies have been doing, considering the fact that they still have an ongoing lawsuit over them. XRP has a high potential to make use of the community and the trust that they have in them to reach out to the heights unimaginable for many cryptocurrencies in the market. Started up in 2013, this cryptocurrency has been working relentlessly to provide a decentralized system to the society that will help the people make use of the money they have in their hands the manner they want without any forms of monetary regulations or restrictions on what they spend. The very fact that decentralization will bring further liberty for the people throughout the world sounds much more exciting to the people. While we say that, it is important to ensure that this excitement is tapped out in an efficient manner and is used for purposes ethical in nature and useful for all. The system that Ripple has come out with, XRP, ensures that this is kept in mind and therefore ensures credibility at all levels. So, this was about Ripple and XRP against the SEC in the present day. While the case goes on, one thing that needs to be kept in mind is the fact that all the matters related to cryptocurrency are speculative. Therefore, finding a certainty will not be possible until the event has already occurred. This being the case, there are high chances that things may go in the opposite manner as well. What we need to speculate is the chances of the opposite event happening in this case. Given the progress that we have made already, we highly doubt if the case will go against Ripple in any manner. All evidence seems to be in favor of the cryptocurrency and the SEC itself, though many of its employees have asserted the nature of cryptocurrencies that match correctly with that of the XRP. This being the case, the higher probability of a win lies with the Ripple, and therefore we will see XRP bouncing even higher. What you need to do is get on the train on time.